Hey guys, welcome back to Ted Draws Dungeons. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stipple a dungeon map outline. We start by thickening the outline with a thick pen. And all we're going to do is just make that darker so we have something to build against. Next, we're going to come in with a heavy pen. And we're going to come in putting down the stippling about halfway the distance to the total width of the line that we want. Next, we're going to come in with a light pen, and we're going to take this light pen all the way to a predetermined edge. And we're going to work it back and forth so we get nice even coverage. And you can see this light pen is actually going over the dark pen, so you've got half of the distance with the light pen and half the distance with the light pen and the dark pen. Then we're going to come in with a nice brush tip pen, and this is going to lay down a nice thick, rich outline. And the medium pen, we're going to work right off that first dark line, about halfway the distance of the total banner width. And that's where you get a nice blended look. Hey guys, if you haven't already done so, please try my video course on Skillshare. It's free with the link that I have below. And then, if you would, just go visit teddrawsdungeons.com where you can find all kinds of other maps, including free maps and maps that I put in the map vault for my Patreon customers. I also have a Redbubble account. You can go there and you can find really cool sweatshirts and t-shirts and graph paper books and all kinds of other stuff. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe because it really helps me out.